Jimmy, dime time. Let's go!
Hey everyone, it's me, Jimmy Dime. Welcome back to my adventure room. Here we can use our imaginations and learn at the same time. And today we're gonna go on a very special adventure. You know why? That's right, because it's Easter. Do you know what Easter is? Then you know how much fun it is. You get to see your family and your friends and have some treats. And today, we're gonna have so much fun. Are you ready to see what we're gonna do? Okay. Wow, that looks like so much fun. Okay, let's make some crafts so we can hide some eggs. Come on, let's go. Okay, here's some crafts we're gonna make. First, we're gonna dye some eggs. How fun is that? Here, look, we have some eggs. Some are white and some are brown. You know why? Brown chickens have brown eggs and white chickens have white eggs. So they're different colors. We also have some dye, some colors that we're gonna put on the eggs. We have yellow, red, blue, green, all of them together. And we're gonna mix and match. Here, we also have some glitter in all kinds of colors too. Orange and purple and green and blue and silver and gold. And here, we have some holders for the eggs. These ones we have. It's like a garden. And this one, look, it's like a little house. And these two hold the eggs too. Look, it's a chicken, just like the ones that laid the eggs. So fun. And here we have a bunch of stickers, all stickers for Easter. We have bunnies and more eggs and flowers and even a little bug. Okay, should we start? So first, we'll take the egg and we'll use our egg holder. Just like that. And we'll put the egg on here. And then put the egg in the dye. Should we see what color it will be? Okay, let's try the blue. Okay, egg. Perfect. Wow. Wait till you see. Look at that. It's blue. Here, let's put it all around to make sure all the blue goes all around it. Are you ready? There you go. It's our first blue egg. Let's put it just right here. Perfect. Now we gotta let it dry. Let's try another one. Here we go. Right like this. And which one should we do? The red? That's such a good idea. Here we go. Let's move it all around to make sure the egg gets everywhere. Wow. Look at that. It's a red egg. Here, let's put it here so it can dry. So we have the red egg and we have the blue egg. Should we try another one? Okay, let's try this one right here. And which color should we do? Green? Yes, I love that. Here we go. Put it right on there and move it all around. Wow, look, it's green. And I'll pick it up just like this. There we go. Let's let that one dry too. Okay, now let's put an egg in the yellow dye. Make sure we get the yellow all around it. Wow, look at that. It's a yellow Easter egg. And we'll put it just right there. Okay, should we make some more? Okay, let's do it. Now we're just having some fun. Another green one for right there. And one more red. See? That's so much fun. Here, let's put the red right at the end. Wow, look at that. It almost looks a little pink. That's so cool. So we have our eggs, red, blue, green, yellow, green, and one that's turning out to be pink. That's so fun. I know. Why don't we put some glitter on top of it? Okay, let's do this color right here. Some purple. Let's do purple on the pink one. And which other one? The yellow? Okay. They look so good. Okay, and another color? Blue. Let's put some blue over here on this red one. This is awesome. And the green one too? Wow, these eggs will shine. And let's just have some fun. Let's put this one on all of them. Wow, that is so much fun. How about some stickers? Yes, we should put some stickers on the eggs. I'll put another egg on the egg right here. That's perfect. And let's put a flower on this one right here. A flower and an egg on the egg. And let's put another flower right over here so each one has their own sticker. And this one, let's put another egg on right there. Look at those. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beautiful eggs ready for Easter. Okay, should we make some friends? Let's do it. Okay, now let's make some fluffy friends for Easter. So we have some fluffy bits right here and some eyes. We have some feet in pink and orange, and we have some ears. And over here are some stickers. So first, we will take the body and put it on some feet. So we'll take our stickers, just like this, peel both sides, and put one right there. And then we'll give it its body. Just like that. Now what should we put next? I know. Why don't we give some ears? So we'll grab another sticker. Perfect. And just like this, we'll put that right there. Now our friend has some ears, but it can't see. It needs some eyes. Let's put some eyes on it. 1 and 2. He's so cute. Okay, now let's put the insides of the ear so our friend can hear. 1 right there. And 1 more. 1 right over there. Perfect. Now our friend can hear. And 1 more thing. They can hear and see, but we need our friend to be able to smell. That's right. We need to get them a nose. Here. And a nose right there. Perfect. We have our first friend. Should we make 1 more? Okay. We have 1 friend. Let's make another. Let's make a chicken. Yes. We painted some eggs, so now let's make the chicken. Let's do, here, some feet, and we'll need some stickers. Like this. Put 1 down there, and we'll give a yellow body to the chicken. And we'll need some eyes. Let's do some big eyes. 1 and 2. Okay, let's give some wings. And 1 right here. Perfect. There we go. Okay, now we made our fluffy friends. We have a bunny and a baby chicken. A chick. That's so fun. So, we dyed our eggs, they're ready to go, and we have our fluffy friends. So, let's go find the eggs in the park. But wait, if I'm going to find the eggs, I need someone to hide the eggs. Do you know anyone who could hide the eggs? What? You see something behind me? I see some ears. I think it might be Manuki? It's Manuki! Of course! Manuki can hide the eggs in the park, and me and you can go find them. That will be so much fun. And look, Manuki even has some bunny ears on. Manuki, you look so good. Okay, are you ready to go to the park and hide the eggs? Okay, let's go. Okay, I think we're ready. Manuki, are you ready to go to the park? I think he's really excited. I have my Easter bucket all ready to find those eggs. Are you ready to go through the magic door to the park so we can go on our Easter hunt? Awesome. Okay, let's go. But before we do, we need to turn on our magical laces. 1 and 2. Okay, Manuki, are you ready? Okay, let's go. Wow, here we are, ready to find those Easter eggs. Manuki, are you ready? I think Manuki's really excited. Okay, Manuki, hide those eggs. Are you ready to go? And go for it. Oh, I'm so excited. Are you ready to come along with me? Let's go find those eggs. Okay, Manuki, we're coming. Hey, look. I found it. Our first Easter egg. I'll put that in my Easter egg bucket. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, let's find the next one. Where's that next Easter egg? Where did Manuki put it? Hey, I found it. Look, in the flowers. Purple and yellow flowers. We find the blue egg. Perfect. I'll add it here and we'll find the next. Come on. Okay, we have 2. Let's find our third hidden Easter egg. Come on. Manuki is so good at this. I'm trying to look everywhere. Do you think maybe by the tree? Let's look. Of course, there it is. Another Easter egg, a blue one. We'll put that in and find the last ones. Come on. Let's find the last surprises Manuki hid. Come on. I wonder where they could be. Hey, look, I think I found Manuki. Go see. He's hiding behind a rock. Shh. Oh, look, I found the last egg and some chocolate. And I think I might have also found Manuki. Hi, Manuki. You did such a good job hiding all the surprises for me. Should we go back to the adventure room? Okay, let's go back. 1, 2, 3, and... Wow, that was so cool. Thank you so much for finding all of these surprises with me. And you know why? Because that's right, Manuki did such a good job hiding them. We made eggs, we had chocolate, and we made some friends. How cool is that? Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Have a happy Easter, and remember, you can do it. Bye!
Jimmy, dime time. Next show!